We have in general our educational data is related to geographic context, and the data on education in emergencies and population in the move, as we call right now, is data that is more related to population and to the absence of data survey, and the fact that the education has through time not been that familiar to work with the population survey data is one of the main issues, and many countries don't have a population-based survey, and in that sense we're really missing in many countries that are under conflict just the baseline, and we're missing the current data. So it is really a huge source of concern, and it's a great need to actually to push for having a household service or population-based service to actually to get information on social, economic context and population in the move. Yes, I think that this is one of the areas that we need to develop standards and methodologies that simplify in some aspects and in other aspects adapt to the situation of a population that is in the move or in refugees. So we need to actually to simplify our guidelines for EMI system, for household service, and to produce specific models and specific standards for this population. We need as well as a second step to share this as a common technical guideline for every actor, non-state actors and state actors that are acting in the field, because this will be making easier for us to compare and to know that we're talking about the same when we talk about data. We need to depart from the same definition of what primary education is, what is the enrollment rate, how to count the children, and how much the children should be learning in each step. So I think that definitely there is a need to adopt standards. Standards are the common way. If we travel and we're safe about traveling, it's because there is an existence of standards about how the aviation industry is regulated. For here it is exactly the same time of need that we need about standards, and the use of standards will allow everybody to talk that we actually know what we're talking, and for donors that are helping and are providing funding also to be aware of what are the issues and that the issues are common, and to know also the impact of interventions.